What's up, guys? Welcome back to Honda How To. I told you guys we would do a little test drive in the Civic, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. I had to run to town, so I just brought the Civic out on like a, I'd say about 70-mile road trip, so it's been running really good. Do a quick pull here, second to third, and then I'll come back and recap and talk to you guys about the drivability and stuff like that. Don't mind the noises, don't mind the rattles, and yeah, let's get to it. Jeez, this road is bumpy. I'm gonna try to do this as best I can with one hand, so. Okay, let's see here. Alright, here we go. Let me get over this bump here. There's a big, huge bump. I don't want to be accelerating into the bump. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. Not bad, if I say so myself. I gotta kind of keep the window down because I got the door panel off right now, and if I don't have the window down, the freaking door rattles like crazy, so I gotta keep the panel off and the window down. So other than that, the drivability on this car, I mean, the suspension is way too stiff for my liking. I don't like it. I wish I would have got a different spring rate, but I didn't want to bottom out. I got this thing set pretty low. As far as like shifting, it doesn't have a fancy clutch in it. It's got like a Exetti stage 1. It's just like a OE replacement clutch. Does pretty well. Flywheel stock, basically everything's stock. But like I said in the previous video, I gotta put the LMAs in it. The LMAs are just pretty noisy. Jeez. Oh, that's a big bump. Can I pull over on the side of the road and talk to you guys a little bit? Whatever. I hope you guys can hear me. Shift's nice, clutch feels great. The drivability, if you want better drivability, I would not recommend getting super stiff engine mounts. I mean, if you can bear with the vibration and the noise, more power to you, go ahead. But I wouldn't change it. I don't care. It's just my car, whatever. But yeah, just regular shifting feels great. I have polyurethane bushings on the shifter, so that helps a lot. Yeah, doesn't burn oil, gets super good mileage. I love it. And it's super rewarding knowing that I built this engine with my bare hands. And I'm daily driving it. Got over 10,000 miles on it, which is awesome. But I am going to take my kids fishing, and I will upload another video one of these days. But if you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe and like it and show your friends, and I hope to see you guys in the future. Peace.